Hello, I'm John, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the fastest way to count. Not really, but I'm gonna show you the fastest way to do multiplication of big numbers. In this example we are multiplicating 5,348,576 times 8,145,684, which gives a gigantic number, as you'd have expected, and normally you would multiply this number like this. You would multiply all the numbers of the first line by 4, then leave one blank space to the right, and then multiply the numbers of the first line by 8, and then leave 2 blank spaces to the right, and then multiply by 6 and leave 3 blank spaces to the right, and then multiply by 5 and leave 4 blank spaces to the right, and then multiply by 4 and leave 5 blank spaces to the right, and then multiply by 1, leave 6 blank spaces to the right, then multiply by 8, and now add all those numbers by columns, which gives this gigantic number. And the main problems of this method are: 1. It takes too long to multiplicate, and 2. It gives us the least significant number first and the most significant number last, making we do all that process that I described before. And the faster method is basically the opposite of that. It is faster, as you already noted, and it gives us the most significant number first, solving the two main problems of the other methods. So, let's see how do we do this. First things first, this method consists in multiplying vertically and in a cross shape, if that makes sense. So, how do we multiply like that? Well, it's very simple. So, let's move into it. So in the faster method, I'm showing you in an actual paper to make it easier. So the method consists in multiplying vertically in a cross shape. So first, to do this method, you need to separate all the numbers by columns. That's an important part of it. And then we're gonna multiply vertically this number. So 5 times 8 is 40. And then we're gonna remove one bar, so there's space to do a cross shaped multiplication. So 8 times 3 is 24, 5 times 1 is 5, and then we're gonna add those two numbers, which gives us a 29. So we're gonna put a 2 right here and a 9 right over there. Then we're gonna remove one more bar and multiply in this cross shape again, but there's a space in the middle, so we're gonna multiply like that. And then after you multiply like that, you you are going to add all those numbers, which gives us a 55 5 5. And then we're gonna remove one more bar, multiply in this cross shape again, and then multiply all those two spaces that give in the middle, and so on. When you finally have the number, it's just add those little numbers that is a little bit hard to see here, but they are in the corner of some numbers, and you're gonna have the final number. So that's basically the full method. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, goodbye.